Good morning, students. Today we start the another part of the integration, that integration of some particular functions. So, what type of particular functions? I already told that we have no quotient rule in integration, but if the integration in this form, or we can change the given integral in this form, then we can use these formulas. Okay, this form, this, or otherwise we have to change them in this form, then we can use this formula to come out or to solve the integration. Okay, so proof of this I am showing, one from these three and another from these three. Rest you must do it, because if you know the proof I already told, then you learn many things. Okay, so I am proving first one. First I am writing 1 by x square minus a square in partial fraction, part by partial means part by part fraction. X square minus a square is x plus x minus a. We can write denominator x, these two factors only in the denominator with minus sign, such that only constant left. Variable we cannot do. Constant left, then that constant can be adjusted. Okay, then if we do like these two factors I have written with minus sign, then if we simplify, 2a will come, that I have adjusted with 1 by 2a. Then if we divide separately, this will come. There is another way, that put x is equal to x sec theta, then it will be a square common, x square sec square theta minus 1 tan square. That way also it can be done. Anyhow, I am doing with this. Now this can be rewrite like this. This integration can be rewrite like, then we can integrate dx by x will be log x, then we will combine it. Similarly, the other two also come. You must practice this one. Now I'm one from these three. This is the one part, one type. This is another type. Same thing is here with root. Here no root is there, with root. Okay. So again I am solving the phone number. Phone number, as I told, we have to first think to come out from the square root. For that, x, if you take x is equal to a sec theta, this became a square sec square theta, then become tan square, then we can come out from the root. Then tan theta cancel, sec theta left, integration of sec theta is log sec plus tan. Now sec theta x by a, we have to find tan theta in terms of this. Sec square theta is x square by a square, then 1 plus tan square, by that tan theta came this. Okay, now one more thing, I have used C1 because more constant will come. Now I am writing this one, this value of sec theta and tan theta here, then one log a constant will come. This I combine and make it C. Okay, so you must practice the other. Now let us start exercise, our last exercise of first terminal, 7.4. Okay, so question number 1 I am doing. We have to integrate 3x square by x6 plus 1. So it is, we have to change in that standard form, these forms. Okay, we have to change them in this form, then only you can apply formula. So this can be changed with some substitution. Directly that based on the formula will not come. So will put x cube is equal to t, 3x square dx will be dt. Then given integral became this will be become dt by t square plus 1, that is tan inverse t plus c. What is t? T will be tan inverse x cube plus c, answer. Okay, so these are this type of question. We have to do some changes to come in the form, then special integral form. One more I am doing. So Question number 3 I am doing dx by, it is already in the form, but x is negative, that thing. This will be, sorry, this is 1 by a, directly 10 inverse. This will be, a is here 1, root over this, a square plus x square, root over a square plus x square, a root is there. Students are confusing on this, root over x square plus a square, this formula will come. So it will be 1 by, log of x 2 minus x plus root over x square plus 1 square, one negative sign will come due to x is negative here. Negative here, negative positive only come, or we can write this one this way, don't confuse it, make x positive, a minus b whole square, b minus a whole square is same thing. Okay, then we integrate log of x minus 2 plus root over x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square plus c. Okay, one more question I am doing. All are similar type question, only that thing you have to concentrate. Like question number 7 I am doing. It is that not x minus 1 by x square minus 1. Here should be constant. Then only that formula is, no variable is here. So what we will do, we write it separately, x by this whole minus 1 by this one. Now this one formula, this one by substitution will do. Let x square minus 1, we can make it I1 and I2. Solve I1. Let x t square, then 2x dx will be 2t dt, or x dx will be, so t dt by root over t square, that is t, that is x square minus 1, and I2 is directly formula root over 1 by x square minus 1 under root, that is log of x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c1, c2, c1, then finally then answer will be, we'll add these two, this minus root over, x square, answer will be I1 minus I2, that is x square minus 1 minus log of x plus x square minus 1, will add these two constant and write here c. This will be the answer. Okay, so you do how many you can. One more day I will take in mid class, there I will show some more questions. Okay, then after that we can do, you try to do up to 11 number, 12 number I will do next day. Thank you.